Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. And for my dear audience, in this video I will describe some different and most beautiful design of metal gate or wood metal gate or wood metal doors. So, dear audience, in real, a gate or gateway is a point of entry to or from a space enclosed by walls. The word derived from Old Norse gate, meaning road or path, but other terms include yet and port. The concept originally referred to the gap or hole in the wall or a fence rather than a barrier which closed it. So gates may prevent or control the entry or exit of individual, or they may be uh, merely decorative. So the moving part or parts of a gateway may be considered doors as they are fixed at one side whilst opening and closing like one. So dear audience, Romania, a gate from Bucharest, I also describe in my video, and so as Castrol, Bernagor in Paris, Art Novus, very much beautiful Novia gate I can see in my video. So as a country bento, a typical Indonesian gate that is often found on the island of Java and Bali. I also describe in my video. So, dear audience, a beautiful gate is a much beautiful looking of our eyesight, of our relative eyesight, of our dear friends' eyesight, beautiful sight. So a gate may have a latch that can be raised and lowered to both open a gate or prevent it from swinging. So, dear audience, I think that I also describe, I also shown the gate in my video is a mixture of wooden and also metal. Both two things are prescribed in my video. So, dear audience, gate operation can be either automated gate operator or manual. Locks are also used on gate to increase security. So larger gate can be used for a whole building such as a castle or fortified town. I also describe in that video. So actual doors can also be considered gates when they are used to block entry as prevalent within a gatehouse. Today, many gate doors are equipped with self-closing device that can improve safety, security, and convenience. So it is important to choose a control gate closer to ensure uh, consistent closing speed as well as safety and security. So a self-closing gate can help prevent accident by children or pets, particularly around swimming pools, spas, beaches, and hot tubes. So, self closing gate can also improve the security of the property by ensuring that the gate is closed and latched properly. So, there are various type of gate closer available, including exposed spring device, gate closer, spring hinges, and self closing hinges. So, the appropriate type of closer is will depend on the weight and size of the gate as well as other factors like speed control, weather resistance, and ADA compliance. So, if we saw the purpose of gate, there are many purposes we can used in different sources like a safety gate to protect babies and toddler. That's also called a baby gate. It is a large size or small size. If dear audience, we saw the history of that gates, that is a Japanese story at its Sakshema Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Japan, where the Hindu gods Saraswati is worshipped as the Buddhist Shinto goddess uh, Benzatin. So, dear audience, a city gate of a walled by city, in which entrance of a city or exist of a city, it is that's also called exit gate or entrance gate. So hemisphere gate, which is called Aka New Zealand gate or wire gate, so as uh, hemisphere gate also, and casing gate on footpath also, beautiful of our lovers, beautiful of our frankness people. So light gate with the roof also a gate and its purpose. So Mon Japanese gate the religious story compares to Chinese parallel. So Indian Torana I also describe my video and Indonesian Patroksa and Korean Hong Hongzolman and more and wider spread in Japanese gardens. So portcullis of a castle. So race gate a gate used checkpoint on race tracks. So slip gate on footpath also we can use in my video and prescribe in my video. So turnstile, it is also a turn from one place to another. If we talk about a slip gate, it can be a sleeping. It can be a horizontal surface or vertical straight. It can be slabbed. So turnstile also in a turn mode or in above turn or by hanging walls like as a beautiful sight. So as a different verticals and flowers make and one by seeing the gate or by in when we beautiful sight we can make then birds we can make our different arts or craft of our animals we can make in a gate for beautiful sight or beautiful purpose. So as a water gate of a castle by navigable water. So slalom or skiing gate also we describe in my video. Says isalom skilling gate and skiing gate and wicket gate also we can describe in my video. So, dear audience, it can be a different purpose, like a gate may prevent or control the entry or exit of individual, or they may merely decorative, like I prescribe in last that it can be a birds we make in a window or if we can make a door then we different metal making project or metal making birds or metal making animals or metal making human bodies or metal making any different snatches or other different colors. Dear audience, the moving part of or parts of a gateway may be considered those as I also described. So it can be a many different question arises in our mind when we talk about a gate. What is a gate? Gate. What is a gate in architecture? What is a gate in constructions? What is a gate level design? So what is meaning of design gate? What is a gate array design? What is a gate types? Many questions I also prescribe in my video. So what does gate mean in engineering? It is also a question. So what is the advantage of gate? What are a part of a gate called? What is the importance of gatehouse? There are many questions arises on our mind. If we talk about the what is a gate in architecture, then an opening in a wall, a mean of entrance into city or an estate, then it can be called gate in architecture. So many symbols hide behind this one literal meaning from dimensional portal to city landmarks and gate take on various roles which architects have been materializing for centuries. So the many fascinating dimension of gate in architecture. So, as when we talk about what is a gate in construction, then a gate is a hanged barrier that can be used to secure an opening in wall, fence, hedge, and so on. So, it can also refer to the number of people that attend an event, such as a sporting event. So, then when we talk about a gate level design, then in general, gate level modeling is used for implementing lowest level modules in a design like full adder and multiplexer. So in Boolean algebra also is used to represent logical combination logic function of digital circuit. It can be a gate level. It can be a other perspective. So when we talk about a gate design, that in human design gates represent the or archetypal engineers that up the human design body graph. So you define human design gate or the energies that you have reliable access to. So your undefined human design gates are the energies that less reliable for you. They are portal into deep wisdom and discernment. So, dear audience, when we talk about what is a gate, what is a advantage of gate, when there are much advantage of gate, it can be in an organization. A good gate score is helpful for getting many other in our homes or in our uh, door. So some gate are different size and different colors and different material in its in we can use in gateway. So when we talk about gate material, then it can be a wooden, metal, which include wrought iron, bronze, stainless steel, and aluminium, and composite driveway gate have unique feature that will help determine your decisions and on which material is the best for your entrance gate. How we can the climate change when a gate we can make, how we can describe the gate of steel. Then the gate of steel was the last gate both in order of entering and construction. So have been built by Magellan some centuries after the other six as ultimated and we can say it as a six corner as the ultimate defense after the disaster of the Nineth honored. Though all but impassable to an enemy, the gate ultimately failed to prevent the fall of good knights. So a fixed gate also used, a revolving gate also, yeah, we can use in our homes, in our houses. So two level gates structure, many. a logic design revolve shape or other round above and down. We can also use in my video. So, dear audience, I think that my video and my idea are much interesting for you and for your children and for your family. If, dear audience, my video and my idea you think that much interesting, then like my video and subscribe my channel in your favor. So, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much.